The big arrow-like item directly in front of you is the escape tower that once sat atop the Chang'e 2F carrier rocket. Right next to this exhibit are a Shenzhou rocket and a Tiangong-1 target spacecraft. If you were an astronaut about to blast off on a mission and there was a last-minute emergency, you'd be very glad to have an escape tower like this handy. This one has two main portions: a frontal escape zone and a fairing cap, where its bottom end attaches to the rocket beneath it. The liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen fuel mix rockets use to escape the unimaginably powerful pull of the Earth's gravity is actually nothing more technologically sophisticated than an incredibly large bomb. The former Soviet Union once reported a launch disaster during which a fuel leak caused a rocket to explode into smithereens. Having an escape tower atop rockets enables astronauts to eject themselves away from an aborted mission in around 1 second. They can then subsequently float safely back to Earth by activating the tower's gigantic parachute.